Hey everyone, let's get to styling. I have a tapered cut. It's also called an undercut, where you have the sides low and the back low and the top high. Basically going through my hair, checking through it. I just washed it, so just making sure that everything was like nice and clean and that my scalp was clean, and we're going to get started with my hair. So I started with the Infusium 23 leave-in conditioner. It's something I've been using for years and years. It's been around for a good while. And then I also use the Aussie 3-minute Miracle conditioner. I've always found it to be very moisturizing for my hair. As an additional leave-in conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow, and Restore leave-in conditioner. And then I have my oil mix, which is a mixture of coconut oil, olive oil, and grapeseed oil. Got my soft bristle brush, and I have my Eco Styler gel, the clear one. And basically that is what I'll be using to do the finger coils for my hair. So let's just get started. Have my spray bottle, and basically what I'm going to do, just part from front to back, row by row, and that's the only parting I'm going to actually do. When I'm after the parting, I'm going to put the gel on my hair, section everything off, and then just take a portion of my hair, not too big, not too small, and just throw it around my finger. So no parting here, just adding gel, take a section, twirl, section, twirl, section, twirl. So basically that'll be the routine. So basically I'm finishing up here. I've gotten at least 3/4 of my head done here. It took me, I would say, a good hour, maybe hour and 15 minutes to go through the whole top of my head and do the single strand coils. Now everything is pretty much done for the top part. Like I said, I don't know what it is with the ends of my hair. Like maybe I need a stronger gel. I'm not sure. But it always gives off this weird poofy look at the ends of my hair. And I think pretty much it's a matter of just having a lot of split ends. And I think that's the reason it creates that look. I'm really not sure. I'm just spraying my hair now, the sides of my hair. So I'm going to brush up the sides because it's really, really short. But I want to kind of smooth it down, moisturize it down, and basically do the brush method, basically creating a little bit of coils around the parts of my hair that's not super close to in terms of the length of my hair. And here is the finished look. Pretty much I'm going to tie my hair for the night because I have work in the morning, and I'm just making sure that everything is in order, everything is done, and I am ready for bed. It is now the next morning, and it's time to go to work. So I put the clips in the front of my hair because I was trying to create, I didn't want everything to be flattened on top of my forehead. So I was trying to create a look where the clips would kind of make my hair kind of stand up a little bit. Didn't exactly turn out how I thought it would. So I'm using the spray bottle again just to, you know, my hair is kind of looking dry. So I'm putting some oil on my hair to moisturize it. And so I'm going to do the brush method again on my hair to create the coils. And for the front part, I was trying to create like a drop look, so like a drop curl look, but nothing was dropping at all. It's just there. Not doing exactly what I wanted to do, and what I had in mind, it didn't really work, but I tried doing something.